Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 mini, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example. And from there, all you need to do is simply press power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. Gives you the animation, as you can see. And there we go, there's your screenshot. Now, that screenshot can be viewed from your photo gallery, and it's gonna be either right here in the library at the very top, or if you go to albums at the bottom, you should see screenshot section right here, where it will contain screenshot along with video recordings of your screen, I believe. And again, you can tap on it to just view it, and yeah, there we go. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.